Our coaster has been cut out, so next thing to do is to fill in these little gaps. And the way we'll fill in these gaps is we'll take some glue and we'll smear it into the cracks right there, and then we'll take our RO sander and run it over the top of it. The sanding process will mix the sawdust in with the glue, and these gaps will just totally disappear. As you can tell, the glue and the sawdust has pretty much eliminated all of these little gaps. So the next thing I'm going to do is finish sanding the entire coaster. I need to sand the edges and the backside of it a little bit, clean it up a little. And then after I'm through sanding, and you really don't need to watch me sand, then I will add some tung oil to it to finish it off. Okay, all my sanding has been done, so the next thing for me to do is apply tung oil to it. I'm going to use this Formsby tung oil. I've used it for a while. I'm a big fan of tung oil. I'm going to probably put on one coat today. I'm going to let it dry for 8 hours, put on another coat tomorrow, and then a third coat tomorrow night. Then I'm going to let it dry for 2 or 3 days, and then I'll put a polyurethane coating on it. But first things first, here goes the tung oil.